Mite washes have got to be one of the most painstaking processes in all of beekeeping, but not anymore. We all know the importance of mite washes and how imperative they are to keeping healthy colonies. We also know how timely, annoying, and painstaking they can be. But here at Lorobbees, we're super excited to announce 3 brand new products that are going to help dramatically simplify the process. All right, so our first product is our sampling tray. This will make your life a lot easier getting your bees off of your frame and into your wash cup. It also doubles as a grafting tray. Our next product is a Queen Excluder for your mite wash. Gone are the days of looking through frames, trying to find a queen, missing seeing her, and then killing her in your mite wash cup. It's gone, just like that. And this guy, well, I guess you'll have to watch to the end to find out what this does, but I promise you, it saves you the most time out of all of them. But don't just take my word for it. Let's head to the bee yard and put this thing into action.
All right, so I got my 2 frames of bees. I'm going to use our sampling tray now. Sit that there. All you do with this is you shake your bees. Both frames onto the same tray. I like to sit it right on top of the colony. We got a nice good sample there. That's all we're gonna do now, and we didn't even have to look for the queen. So over here at the Queen Excluder, we're just gonna take our sample bees and go like this and just bump them down into it. And I think that's about where I wanna be. Now I'll take our puck, sit it on top, and the weight of that will drive the bees down into the wash cup.
How easy was that? No more trying to awkwardly scoop bees off of a flat surface with a round cup. It didn't make sense then, and it definitely doesn't make sense now after using these trays.
So one of the great things about these mite wash cups, while they're working, you can move straight to the next colony, saving you time, collect your next sample, use a second mite wash cup with a Queen Excluder, and let it get working to keep you moving right through your apiary. We see we have some Varroa mites in our sample. It's time to go count some bees, or is it?
Whether you do this portion in the yard, your car, or back at home, you no longer have to count each bee one by one. Grab your wash cup, insert it into the Lorobbees Quick Dry, and hit the button. What we're doing is flinging the water weight off of the bees and essentially drying them in seconds. Once we're done with that, we can weigh them and divide by the average weight of a honeybee, and boom, there's our count. Saving us the time-consuming process of counting each bee individually. These products are live on the Lorobbees website. Please leave your comments below. I would love to hear your thoughts. We couldn't be more excited to get back to our roots, finding new solutions, and doing everything we can to turn bee havers into beekeepers. If you want to stay in the loop with some of the newest innovation that the beekeeping industry has to offer, please consider liking this video and subscribing to follow along. See you in the next one.